Tonight, I'm making Snickers truffles for Mother's Day. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Mother's Day is just around the corner. I usually rack my brain trying to come up with something special for the occasion, but this year I decided to skip the guesswork and just ask my mom. The full recipe with ingredients, supplies, and directions is at randymakescandy.com. Links in the description. Okay, let's make some candy. Put the peanuts into a zip-top bag, seal it, and crush them into small pieces. In a mixing bowl, combine the marshmallow fluff, peanut butter powder, and powdered sugar. If you stick around after the recipe, I'll give you the lowdown on peanut butter powder. The spatula didn't work after a while, so I switched to manual. Gloves are optional. Fold in the crushed peanuts. Roll the dough into a couple of cylinders. Pinch off pieces of dough, roll them into balls, and place them on a parchment-lined cutting board. Melt the milk chocolate candy melts according to the package directions. Dip a truffle center into the melted chocolate and drain the excess. Return it to the cutting board and immediately add caramel bits to the top. Repeat with the remaining centers, then put them in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes to set. And that's it. If you make a batch of these for your mom, or for yourself, no judgment, I want to hear about it. Drop your results in the comments. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte mhath. This tastes just like a Snickers bar, which was exactly what I was going for. The only difference is that the center has a little more chew than you'd get with a peanut butter nougat, but I'm not at all mad about that. If your mom wants an upscaled Snickers, you really ought to try these. And happy Mother's Day. Okay, let's talk about peanut butter powder. It starts out as regular peanuts, roasted, pressed, and stripped of most of their natural oils. What's left gets ground into a fine powder, then finished off with the addition of some sugar and salt. The final product has about 85% less fat than it started with, and that's what dictates where you use it. Peanut butter is roughly half fat by weight. That fat is what makes it creamy and rich, but it can also cause problems in candy making. If I'd folded regular peanut butter into these truffle centers, all that oil would have made the dough even softer and stickier than it was. It also affects how firmly everything sets. Peanut butter powder sidesteps all of that. You get the flavor without the fat doing things that you don't want it to do. The trade-off is that it tastes slightly different. Less of that buttery richness, more of a concentrated peanut flavor. With this recipe though, that actually works in our favor. The chocolate brings the richness. The powder brings the peanut flavor. They split the job nicely. Outside of candy making, you can use it in smoothies, oatmeal, baking, anywhere you want peanut butter flavor without adding a lot of fat. Speaking of peanuts, next episode I'm going to show you a recipe that features the brand new Nutella peanut spread. I hope you'll join me. Center, a milk chocolate coating, and what is stuck on my lip? Secret ingredient, no, I don't like that. Peanut butter powder steps. Brand new Nutella.